how to connect Shopify with Amazon. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Shopify with Amazon. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your Shopify store, and as you can see, this is my main Shopify dashboard. In there, you're going to find an option of apps. You're just going to click on this option which says add apps, and this is going to pop up. From this menu, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find a Shopify app store. You have to click open the Shopify app store. Another tab will open up, and in there you're going to find, this is basically the Shopify app store, and you're going to find all the apps that you can integrate into Shopify here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to search for an app which is named Spreader. Just go on and search for it, and as you can see, I have this option right here, which is Amazon Importer Spreader app. This is the one I want you to get. Okay, just click on this app and you're going to wait until it opens. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically open, and this is basically Amazon Importer app. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this option which says add app, and we're going to add this app into our Shopify store. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you can see this is basically the app. This is Amazon Importer Spreader app, and you need to click on this option which says install app so that it installs it into your online store. Okay, so now this is the app and it has opened it. Now what you need to do is basically you need to go on to Amazon Associates from this option, and you need to get yourself a registration for Amazon Associate. So if you already have one, then just go on and log in, but if you don't have one, then you have to basically sign in or sign up accordingly. I'm just going to click on this option and sign up so that I'll be able to show you the further process. Okay, so there are two options that you can basically add a product from your Amazon. First of all, you can get an Amazon Associates. You can create an account, and then you can basically link the products in your Amazon Associates account for to your Shopify store. The other option is that, which is easy one. You can directly import the products from Amazon to Shopify. So you can just click on this option which says go to Amazon, go to the Amazon store, find a product that you want to import, and just go on and pick that, and you're just going to copy the product URL and you're going to paste it there. So just wait until I get it. So here you can see this is the product, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this URL right here and copy, and I'm going to paste it in the product link right here. So I'm just going to paste and add product. Okay, so as you can see, the product has been added successfully. Now what you need to do is you're just going to click on this option which says sync, and you are going to get this synced and it will be added to your Shopify store. So as you can see, it is that easy and you don't even have to do anything else. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye-bye.